Recently I did review of this keyboard. This is from Akko with magnetic switches, and my personal opinion that this keyboard is awesome. And even Keycaps, I like these pictures, but as many bloggers and reviewers noticed that this font is questionable. Maybe you like it, maybe don't, but if you like the keyboard itself but want something different, let me show you a couple of options. And today I have this 110 keys. This is a custom PBT keycaps from Amazon, some random product what I found. So let's exchange this keycaps for these keycaps, and let's see how this keyboard will look like.
There's something that I've got to say. An aeroplane shooting across the sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while. But some things stay no matter where you go. Do you still love me